Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My English book standard 8. Today we are going to do 4.4 the unsinkable ship. So let's start. So 4.4 the unsinkable ship. We are going to do it warming up exercise. So first let's start some chit chat gupshup. Have you ever heard or read about the natural calamities? क्या आपने कभी कुदरती आफात के मुतालिक सुना या पढ़ा है? So yes, I have heard about many natural calamities like earthquake, drought, floods, or in newspaper. What are the different possibilities in the long journey? जो है तवील सफ़र में क्या मुख्तलिफ अमकानात होते हैं. In a long journey, some unexpected things are possible, especially accident, breakdown on the way, or shipwreck or plane crash, etc. तो बहुत सारे हादसा हो सकते हैं. नंबर 3, डू यू नो द सी वेव्स? क्या आपको बहरी सफ़र मालूम है? यस, आई नो वॉट इज़ सी वेव बट आई हैव नो एक्सपीरियंस इट. तो ये मेरा ख्याल है कि मुझे तो पता है बहरी सफ़र के बारे में, लेकिन मैंने कभी उसको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है. नंबर 4, हाउ इज़ द जर्नी इन द सी डिफरेंट फ्राम द अदर? दीगर सफ़रों से बहरी सफ़र किस तरह मुख्तलिफ है? इन अदर जर्नी स्पेशली ऑन द रोड वी कैन expect some relief or help in case of accident mishap, but journey in the sea though seems comfortable can be fatal if anything goes wrong in the sea. Number 5, why should we have alternatives in the journey? सफ़र में हमारे पास मुतबादिल का होना क्यों ज़रूरी है? तो if there is a breakdown or accident of the vehicle or anything goes wrong in the regular route, we should have some kind of alternatives. For example, changing the route or vehicle, of course, in possible the route journey or train journey only. Okay, then we have read the lines given below, imagine yourself in the situation and answer the question based on your imagination. After the games practice, my friends and I were hungry. We decided to go to a snack outlet on the third floor in a huge six-storied mall. On the way, just as we paid our bill and were about to leave, there was a ear-shattering blast, a loud explosion on the first floor. तो देखिए फिर आप इसके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दीजिए. व्हाट वाज योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन? आपका पहला रद्दअमल क्या होगा? आवर इमीडिएट रिएक्शन वाज वन ऑफ द शॉक एंड देन वी फील्ड आउट ऑफ द मॉल. नंबर 2, हाउ डिड द पब्लिक पैनिक? लोग किस तरह से घबरा गए थे? दे वेर इन स्टेट ऑफ पैनिक एंड रन हेल्टर शेल्टर टू फाइंड द एग्जिट. सम वेयर शाउटिंग एंड क्राइंग हिस्टेरिकली. व्हाट डिड सम अलर्ट सेंसिबल पीपल डू? जो समझदार लोग थे उन्होंने क्या किया? दे वर ट्राइंग टू calm down the people and helping children and women to escape from the mall. What was the damage and the danger? वहाँ कौन सा नुकसान हुआ और क्या खतरा था? Fire broke up on the third floor and we was running upward. The blast had damaged everything with the structure of the mall. The fourth floor was in danger. Who came to the rescue? बचाव के लिए कौन आया? The police, the fire brigade and the local public came to rescue. How many people were injured and killed? कितने लोग जो है ज़ख्मी हुए और कितने की मौत हो गई? 4 and women and 2 men were injured. Fortunately, no one was killed. The last one, what effect did the instant level on your mind? इस हादसे ने आपके जहन पर क्या असर छोड़ा? तो we were shocked and we were still trembling in fear, though we were out of the danger. We thank God for saving us from the danger. The next question is question number 2a. The word unsinkable has prefix as well as suffix. The root base was sink. So give the root words of the following. Number 1 is comfortable. Then the root word is comfort, unhappiness, happy, insecurity, secure, inaccuracy, accurate, independence, depend, emailer, mail, unloosen, lose, 8 disability, able, 9 disappearance, appear, 10 unfriendly, friend, interactive, act, misunderstanding, understand. So you have to copy that, write two words each with the following prefix. अब prefix के साथ आपको जो है words लिखना है और वो prefix है anti, dis, none and re. तो first one anti, anticipatic, anti-social, dislike, discourage, non-English, non-violence, rearrange, replace. Then the next one is write two words each with the following suffix. Suffix is full, os, less, le. Faithful, doubtful, aus, dangerous, curious, less, senseless, baseless, lie, deadly, promptly. अब अपनी तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं. तो आइए हम सबक की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. द अनसिंकेबल शिप. तो इसमें जो शिप के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जब हम लेसन एंड कर ले तो अगर आपके दिमाग में वो पिक्चर आ जाए तो ज़रूर बताना कि आपने क्या समझा. द अनसिंकेबल शिप. On 10th April 1912, a large luxury ship in the world set sail from Southampton in England to New York. She was called the Titanic. The word Titanic means huge. This was her maiden voyage, that is her first voyage. She set out to cross the Atlantic Ocean and she carried more than 2,000 passengers. The Titanic was like a floating town. Everyone called the Titanic the finest ship in the world. Everyone was proud of her. She was as tall as a building with 15 stories. Inside, she was like a large hotel with a grand staircase, dining room, shops, and swimming pools. Everyone thought that the Titanic could never sink. They called her the unsinkable ship. The ship's builders were so sure that they put only a few lifeboats on the ship. The journey was very comfortable. The passengers were proud because they were traveling in the best ship in the world. They felt safe. Then came the night of 14th April. The sky was clear and the sea was calm. Many of the passengers were asleep. Captain Smith knew that there were icebergs nearby, so he told a man to keep a watch from the top of the ship. Suddenly at 11:40 p.m., the man saw something. He grew cold with fear. A huge iceberg stood right in the path of the Titanic. Iceberg, he yelled. Captain Smith fought hard to steer the Titanic away from the iceberg, but the ship changed direction slowly and her side scraped. The mountain of ice, a shower of ice fell on the deck and the iceberg cut the holes along the ship's side. Water began to pour into the lower deck. Most passengers heard nothing and slept on. Captain Smith and his crew could not stop the water flooding through the ship. They knew the Titanic was in a great danger. The unsinkable ship was sinking. At 12:15 a.m., Captain Smith sent urgent message on the ship's radio asking for help. Help! Titanic sinking. Come quickly. Then he ordered the crew to wake up all the passengers. A ship called California was only 20 miles away, but she did not receive Titanic messages. Her radio was turned off and the radio operator was asleep. Another ship called the Carpathia heard the Titanic calls and sailed at full speed towards her. Unfortunately, the Carpathia was far away and she took over 3 hours to reach Titanic. Meanwhile, the Titanic was sinking rapidly. The crew lowered the lifeboat into the sea, but there was only enough space in the boat for few hundred passengers. The Titanic had more than 2,000 people on board. The ship began to tilt into sea. People began to jump from the deck into the ice-cold water. With its lights still shining, the Titanic stood upright for a few minutes. Then at 12:20 a.m. on 15th April, she vanished into the sea. About 1,500 people drowned. Captain Smith and most of his crew went down with the ship. The Carpathia arrived at 3:40 a.m. The ship crews found the lifeboat and saved 700 people in them. They also find chairs, pieces of wood floating on the water, but most of the people in the water had drowned or died of cold. The Carpathia was too late to save them. The sinking of the Titanic made people think harder about the safety of passengers on ship. They asked why ship carried such a few lifeboats and why they were turned off their radios. In 1913, it was decided that all the ship must have enough room in their lifeboat to carry every on the boat. It was also decided the ship must keep their radios working every hour of the day and night. In 1985, the scientists sent a submarine to look for the wreck of the Titanic. They found the ship lying in two pieces on the ocean floor at the depth of 4,000 meters, that means 13,000 feet. Later, they took photographs of the wreck and brought a small part of it to surface of the water. There are many stories of bravery of the terrible 90 in April 1912. In 1998, the director James Cameron made a famous film on the Titanic Median Voyage. It is very sad film. Almost everyone sees the film leaves the cinema in tears.